Hello guys, welcome back to Special Creations by Nelly. On today's video I'm going to show you how to make these cute Cocomelon DIY party decorations. I hope you guys like it. I bring you two different themes that you could do with a square or you could do it in the shape of a melon. It's up to you which one you decide and which one you like the best. Please let's not forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Let's not forget to hit the little bell on top if you want to get notified every time I post a new video. I will be posting every week and it's something you do not want to miss. So let's hit the little bell on top. I hope you guys like it. Watch the video until the end so you can see the whole setup of the little bags and the centerpieces as well. With that said, thank you again and let's start into this new DIY video. And with that said, the first thing I did is just grab one of these poster paper on Dollar Tree and I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in half just like that. And then I'm going to grab a pencil. I made that line there to guide me, but then I'm just going to go ahead and put it through it like that and draw it. I'm going to do this to both sides of the paper just like that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and grab my scissor and cut it out. So I'm just going to cut it out. I'm guiding myself through the line that I just draw. I'm going to go ahead and do the other sides as well. Then I'm just going to go ahead and fold it in half again because I felt that it was like a little bit square and I want it to be like a little bit round. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it out that side. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace it out and cut it out. And that will leave me my shape. Then after that, I'm going to need the green one. So I'm just going to go ahead and trace this shape into the green paper, just like that. Just go ahead and trace it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Once I cut it out, I'm going to take my pencil and the first thing you have to do is draw the line in the middle first, just like that. So you can have a guide of where's the middle it will end. And then you're just going to go ahead and grab your other paper and measure 1 inch apart. And you're just going to go ahead and measure 1 inch apart. And then you're just going to go ahead and draw it. You're going to continue doing this until you do 3 of them. So you're going to do 3 of them 1 inch, the size of 1 inch. 1 inch. So then after that, you're going to make it 2 inches apart. So this one's going to be a little bit bigger than the other one that you did. So it's going to be 2 inches. And you're just going to go ahead and do it 2 inches apart. And then you're going to go ahead and do it again. One more time. Just fix your paper and then just trace it out. Just like that. Then you're just going to go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. Then you're going to go ahead and grab your paper and you're going to cut it out. On this part, all of them is not going to fit into it if you think about it. And I have extra pieces and I only use 3 and 3 on each side and 3 in the middle. Then I went ahead and grabbed 4 pieces of cardstock paper and I'm going to tape them together. So the first thing I'm going to do is just tape 2 of them together with tape, just like that, all around it so it can hold in place. Make sure to do it all the way through the whole line until you do the whole thing. Then just go ahead and grab your other 2 pieces of paper and attach it as well. Then I went and I grabbed my measuring tape and I'm going to cut it in 16 inches. So I'm just going to mark it down and then I'm just going to go ahead and trace it out with my pencil. And you get a ruler here, whatever you have to trace it on a straight line. Grab your scissor and then just go ahead and cut it out. Just like that. Then after that, just go ahead and grab your scissor again and we're going to do each corner. So we don't want it to be that squarey. So just cut it like around, like you're doing a circle, just like that. Then I went ahead and just drew 2 eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do on a piece of black paper 2 big eyes, just like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out, just like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing for all the part of the face. I'm gonna draw the eyes, the mouth, and the nose, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. For the little eye, I just drew on a piece of paper, white paper, like that, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out, just like that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on the side of each eye, one in the middle and the other one at the end. like on the side, just like that. And there you got your face. Then I went ahead and grabbed the little round tape, like you could grab anything that has the shape of a circle, and I took like a different a darker pink, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out just like that. And this is what I'm just gonna go ahead and place it on each side of the face. Then I just took some hot glue and attached it to my melon shape. Then this is the piece that I have extra from when I cut out all the other pieces. That one was extra, I didn't have to do anything. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab 2 paper of purple. I'm gonna go ahead and tape them together as well. Then I went ahead and grabbed my piece of paper, and I'm gonna trace it onto the purple paper just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissor, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the shape out just like that. Then after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my part and tape it with double-sided tape and attach it to the head of the melon like that. Just go ahead, grab your tape and attach it. Then I went ahead and grabbed a piece of white paper and my pencil, and I'm gonna go ahead and draw the next shape. And this one I tried to do it as big as the paper because this was gonna go on top of the head, and I wanted to be big enough. So this is not hard to do, you guys. If I doing it, you can do it. It's pretty simple to draw, just like that. And then just go ahead and draw it until you're done. Then once you're done, grab your scissor and cut your shape out. Then after I cut it out, what I did was grab another purple because I wanted this to be purple, and I just cut it out in purple. I'm gonna use my double-sided tape, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the back of the melon just like that, just like that. And then you're just gonna go ahead and attach it, and there you have your melon. Then for the next DIY, I grabbed 2 balloons and attached them together with different colors. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other 2 balloons and attach it. Then I'm gonna grab my little container and put some foam on the middle just like that, and then attach all 4 balloons together and put the stick in the middle, and then just place the stick through the foam so it could hold in place. Then I went ahead and grabbed some tissue paper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it just like that. And this I'm gonna place in the middle, all 4 corners. You could do different colors. I only have yellow and red, but you could do orange and purple, whatever color you have available, and attach it to all the 4 corners of the little gap that you have. Then I went ahead and printed these figures from the website, from Google. Just look up Cocomelon images, and then just attach it to the stick. I did it with tape, and then just place it in your container on top. Just do whatever size you would like it and attach it like that. And this is how cute it looks. Then for the next DIY, I grabbed my paper, and I'm going to cut it 1 inch apart. So I'm going to cut like 4 pieces of this for each bag. So just go ahead and continue cutting it, and then once you're done, put some double-sided tape and just leave a little space at the end, and then continue attaching all them together just like that until you go ahead and do the whole thing, and there you have your bag. Then go ahead and grab a piece of paper and cut it 5 by 5 inch, all the same size, 5 by 5. And then go ahead and cut the corner the same way we did the big ones. We're gonna do the same thing for this one as well. And then just place it in there, and cut out your eyes, your nose, and your mouth as well. The same way I did it, I just drew it on a piece of paper, and then I just went ahead and cut it out. And there you have it, the bag. It came out super cute, and I love it. And I hope you guys like it as well.